Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, everyone. Our new scientific category is name. MUHITHU 1. Scientific categories. MUHITHU 1. Scientific categories. And I would like to say again and then continue detail. MUHITHU 1 scientific categories. 1. New universes and celestial bodies neighborhood theorem. 2. New stone surfaces theory. 3. New plants, organelles, cleverness theorem. 4. New ground planes, thickness hypothesis. 5. New multiply angles go one angle theorem. 6. New programmed earthquakes hypothesis. 7. New absolute and relative healthiness theory. 8. New live physical organization theory. Living physical organization theory. 9. New universe equal atom equal subatom particles equality theorem. 10. New from one spirit to multiply spirits to the one spirit theorem. 11. New Halikuan absolute opposition balance personality created just same mentality opposition style. 12. New portions and complete theory. 13. New all concept systems mathematical calculations equal one theorem. 14. New plurality singularity equal one theorem. 15. New endless creation design with one material theorem. 16. New one water theorem. 17. New all gases unique theory. 18. New all soils derivative hypothesis. 19. New divine who burst, divinao fragor, divinao crepitus and stones, multiplicity theory. 20. New stability of absolute and relative dynamics theorem. 21. New simple complex connections theorem. 22. New existence non-existence hypothesis. 23. New combined effects theory. 24. New combining components, combining results theorem. 25. New everything with branches theorem. 26. New unconnected connectednesses theory. New unconnected connectednesses theory. 27. New rough sharpnesses, opposites theorem. 28. New completenesses, stages theorem. 29. New existence, creation, styles, hypotheses. 30. New multiply mathematics, multiply geometry, multiply models theorem. 31. New deep sciences, superficial, flash, reflection theory. 32. New complex relationships, simple conclusions theory. And 33. New endless creation, termination arrivals, endless existence theory. And we will be continue detailed. 1. Muhi to scientific categories. 1. Universes and celestial bodies, neighborhood. Theorem. One. Neighborhood sharply calculated design is obligatory among the universes and celestial bodies. 2. Neighborhood is expression of universal mind. 3. Neighborhood means endless, sharply absolute control of universes and celestial bodies. 4. Boundless relationships, boundless relationships with scientific principles and laws have been declared boundless sciences of Halikuan Gotuan and Liz. Neighborhood of universal and celestial bodies, endless design with one mentality. 6. So many dependents and so many independents. Neighborhood, just system, means apex had been planned. 7. Neighborhood of universes and celestial bodies show us starting, middle, and end period, locomotion, action, dispersion, known, and definition. 8. Near and far neighborhood universes and celestial bodies directly or indirectly connected each other. 9. Neighborhood, every universe and all of the universes and celestial bodies tightly together, making coordinate systemic behaviors. Coordinate systemic behaviors. 10. Neighborhood of all universes and celestial bodies, time, dispersions, and their actions, just planet. 11. So many neighborhood chain, tightly, sharply connected there's distance. All of the universe's celestial bodies. 12. Neighborhood. All of the universes and celestial bodies should be work basis upper apex style. 13. Neighborhood dynamics mechanisms. All concepts definition just same or expand broaden style together at the same time. 2. New. 2 stones surfaces theory. Stones surfaces theory. 1. All of the stones dispersion with surface of function. 2. Seaside stones surfaces designed artistic and functional properties. 3. Mountain stone surface suitable of general balance and other ecosystem. 4. Volcanic stone surfaces his existence divine who births divinao crepitus that started all of the universe's creation. 5. Agricultural stones surface in the field suitable of soil ecosystem. 6. All of the universe's astronomical stones surfaces just planet designed. 7. In the sea, ocean, water, stone surfaces is useful design. 8. Gallbladder, kidney, and intestine stone surface about metabolic reality with genetics and environmental factors together. 9. Stone surface and inside inner layer correlated various informations and realities. 10. Stone surfaces and its times, there's time, destruction related time and structural compositions. 11. Various stone surfaces with various resistance categories. 12. Underground stone surfaces and land stability with other vital functions, filtration, etc. together. 13. All of the stones surfaces had been started from one point, then global, total, functional, artistic, etc. Dispersion sharply designed, calculated, planet by Halikuan Gothu 1. New, free, plants, organelles, cleverness theorem, plants, organelles, cleverness theorem. 1. Plant organelles and electronic photosynthesis, just global systemic design. 2. Plant organelles, wall, dynamics, cleverness design. 3. Plant organelle, porous respiratory system, cleverness design. 4. Plant organelle, vacuole, and waste products, throwing out cleverness design. 5. Plant cut surface excretion its vitality cleverness design. 6. Plant cellular proliferation and dividing different of mammal cells. Proliferation is cleverness design. 7. Plant DNA and mammal DNA and COTS main molecular components same and cleverness design. 8. Plant organelles just equipment functions via programmed would have been happened. 9. Plant organelles roles very clever actions contrary non-existence brain-mind organs. 10. Plant organelle energy photon system need to deep cleverness design. 11. Plant organelles just apparatus only machine, never cleverness designer, deep scientific normal physiologic functions. 12. Plant organelles die, death, apoptosis, just programmed cell death by universal mind Halikuan Gotu One creation program. 13. Plant organelles pathological conditions, genetics aberrations, disease, just like others living same roles, actions, behaviors. New. 4. Ground planes thickness hypothesis. Ground planes thickness hypothesis. 1. Ground planes thicknesses are functional dynamics. 2. Ground planes thicknesses and atmospheric planes designed together just functional. 3. Ground planes thicknesses designed planned for agricultural purpose or not. 4. Ground planes thicknesses and rain water directly relationship just functional. 5. Ground planes thicknesses neighborhood sharply designed and calculated. 6. Ground planes composition and thicknesses just clever planned. 7. Ground planes thicknesses planets multiply functions multiply purposes. 8. The earthquakes are ground planes thicknesses unbalanced just order of planet. 9. Ground planes compositions styles and all of the system just same mentality universal design all of the universes. 10. ground planes, thicknesses and neighborhood, just cleverness, design, planet. 11. Ground planes, thicknesses, angles. Supported functionality. 12. Ground planes, thicknesses, resistance, stability, conditions, just cleverness, design. 13. Ground planes, thicknesses, and world total, anatomical planes, thicknesses, planet together. New. 5. Multiply angles, go one angle, theorem. Multiply angles, go one angle, theorem. 1. All of the angles existence, so many inside angles. One angle divided sub-angles various degree. 1. All of the angles existence, so many inside angles. 2. One angle divided sub-angles various degree. 3. Sub-angles cooperations should be made various degree angles. 4. Every atom existence multiply angle as 1. 5. Every subatom particle existence various degree as 1. 6. All of the independent multiply angles equal one angle. 7. All of the dependence multiply angles equal one angle. 8. All of the universes multiply angles works just one angle. 9. All of the celestial bodies multiply angle as equal 1. 10. All of the planets multiply angles derived as one angle. 11. Minor multiply angle equal major global one angle. 12. Multiply one angles derive so many multiply angles. 13. Global multiply angles should be caused one universal angle. New. 6. Programmed earthquakes hypothesis. Programmed earthquake hypothesis. 1. All of the earthquakes are programmed. 2. All of the earthquakes time is known. Definition. 3. All of the earthquakes power varies with program. 4. All of the earthquakes, the first programmed, the second vehicle liars. All of the earthquakes, the first program, the second vehicles liars. 5. All of the earthquakes messages and of this world as minor style for thinking. 6. Effective disaster. Programmed earthquakes time is public passive daily hours generally. 7. Ineffective programmed earthquakes varies daily hours. 8. Effective programmed earthquakes, some communities completely cleanse it because of unrecognized divine laws. Lut ethnicity, for instance. Effective programmed earthquakes, some communities completely cleanse because of unrecognized divine laws. 9. Generally ineffective program earthquakes just should be made thinking. 10. Intensive program earthquakes just calculated. 11. Programmed earthquakes places just designed and calculated. 12. Warning programmed earthquakes are planned. 13. Given fair programmed earthquakes are planned. Fair, horror, afraid. Given fair programmed earthquakes are planned. New. 7. Absolute and relative healthiness theory. 1. Absolute dynamics is spiritual body existence, healthiness. 2. Relative dynamics is material, somatic body existence, healthiness. 3. Absolute healthiness is existence both of bodies totally. 4. Relative healthiness is existence one of body main side healthiness, only material body or only spiritual body. 5. Symptomatic organoleptic body material condition. Symptomatic healthiness is relative healthiness. 6. Etiologic and symptomatic healthiness are together absolute healthiness. 7. Complications and treatment together are relative healthiness. Complications and treatment together are relative healthiness. 8. Without complication and just treatment only is absolute healthiness. 9. Reversible destruction is absolute healthiness. 10. Irreversible destruction is relative healthiness. 11. Just only material body somatic healthiness is relative. 12. Just only spiritual mystic spiritual nutrition is relative healthiness. 13. Spiritual nutrition and somatic treatment together are absolute healthiness. New. 8. Live death organizations theory. Living death die organization theory. 1. Live death absolutely programmed, just balance. 2. Live is relative dynamics at this world. 3. Death is relative dynamics at this world. 4. Live supported death dynamics. 5. That die supported live dynamics. 6. Live and death ratio result giving us living factors information. 7. Death and live ratio result giving us dying factors information. 8. Live, death will be given information population growing velocity. Live times death. Live cross death will be given information population growing velocity. 9. Live because of absolute spiritual body. 10. Death because of lost absolute spiritual body. 11. Live and death action period of total immortal life. 12. Live is a chance of positive results. 13. Death is a loss of chance, positive and negative condition. New. 9. Universe equal atom equal subatom particles equality theorem. 1. Universe's reality are summarized subatom under atom particles. 2. Atom realities summarize subatom particles. 3. Atomic information equalize of universes. 4. Universes equal atom equal subatom particles. Creation started 1 will be finished 1. 5. After all of the universes should be finished material dynamics world. 6. After all of the subatom particles should be finished material life dynamics period. 7. Universal design scientific mentality just same atom and subatom particles. 8. From all of the universes to the atom under atom components only repeating with different sciences. 9. Universal information just divine who experiments that applicable onto atom subatom particles. 10. All of the universes broaden, expand properties, just same atom subatom properties. 11. Universal so many components, existence just like atom and subatom components. 12. Each atom main complementary parts just same universe and subatom particle. 13. Universal actions, functions, behaviors, roles, just same atom and subatom components, properties. New. 10. From one spirit to the multiply spirits to the one spirit theorem. 1. Only single unique spirit, spiritual personality belong to Halikuan, go to one, that opposition balance. 2. All of the world people, spirits created by who self, Halikuan, God who one, spiritual identity. 3. All of the world people differences, just outer concepts, dynamics only. 4. At the end of this world will be multiply spirits, turn back of single one spirit of Halikuan go to one. 5. One material body, soil, origin of turn back of soil, one spiritual body origin, turn back Halikuan go to one. 6. From one spirit, creation from one people spirit, then multiply spirits. 7. Multiply spirits at this world equal one spirit. Because of Halikuan go to one spirit. 8. One spirit at this world equal multiply spirits because of all of the spiritual bodies connected each other. 9. One spirit of Halikuan go to one is governing all of the spirits at the same time. 10. Believer, unbeliever, people, spirits, categories, degree, divided from one spirit to multiply spirits, to one spirit. 11. Atom should be divided, possible one spirit, never divided. Atom, absolute multiply spirit, never divided. I would like to say again, 11, atom should be divided, possible one spirit, never divided. 12, absolute multiply spirits, never divided. 13, one or multiply material bodies or dynamics should be divided because of relative condition. New 11. Halikuan absolute opposition balance personality so that created just same mentality. Halikuan absolute opposition balance personality so that created just same mentality. Everything creation, opposition balance. 1. All of the created concepts, dynamics, mechanisms, designed opposition balance. 2. Practical mind and clever mind, opposition balance with maturity. 3. Feminine masculine, opposition balance, possible matured condition. 4. All of the universes, regulation, normal action, dependence, opposition, balance. 5. All of the atomic configuration, all of the atomic configuration created opposition balance. 6. All of the subatomic particles principles created opposition balance. 7. All of the scientific laws, normal functions, only possible opposition balance. 8. Only matured person, material body and spiritual body, opposition balance at this world. 9. Opposition balance just only at this world, concepts, dynamics, mechanisms. 10. Maximum productivity equal maximum opposition balance equal 1. 11. 1 is normal functional dynamics but divided opposition dynamics. 12. Matured person equal 1 equal neuter. 13. Opposition balance never both of half dynamics dominant or passive. Opposition balance never both of half dynamics dominant or passive. That's all the first part. Program at this point, and we will be continue 12 new program. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. You are patient. See you soon.